I'm going to show you how to replace your gas struts on a toolbox today. As you can see on that toolbox, they aren't even holding up at all. Pretty simple and easy to do. As long as you got the old strut, matching it up and getting a replacement is really easy and not too expensive. It's worth doing. Come over here to this toolbox. Most of them use a 10mm ball style attachment point. It'll look like that right there. And that's the most common type, especially on toolboxes. There's a couple different types of clip method. This one here just has a plastic tab that gets pulled out, and that unlocks the little tab holding around the ball. And then a lot of them use this style, which is just a little metal clip right there, and you just lever this up and over, and that unlocks it, and then when you're ready you just snap it back down in place. I've already removed these from my old toolbox. They'd been worn out for a long time. I've been using this little bar here to hold it up forever. Figure it's about time to go ahead and replace them. So let's see how well I can do this one-handed here. Gonna go up and over like that. That basically takes it out of the locking area. Do the same on the back side. A lot easier to do with two hands, like so. And I'm kind of picky. I want things to go as smooth as possible, so I'm going to go ahead and put some dielectric grease. You can also use white lithium or any other plastic safe grease. I'm using dielectric because it is plastic safe and I've got it handy. And I'm just putting a little dab in there. A little dab will do you. There actually is some grease down in there already, but I want these to be nice and well glued. And it doesn't really matter whether you put the strut up or the strut down in most cases. I'm going to go ahead and put the strut up like this. That way I don't get all kinds of dirt trying to get down in there in between the rod and the strut. And also it gives me a little bit more clearance when the toolbox is open. I did go with a slightly longer strut. The actual open length is 13 inches compared to 12, and the close length is actually smaller, which is uncommon. Usually you go longer on the open length, and the close length also increases, but luckily I found these. They're actually under 8 inches closed, whereas these are just at 8 inches closed. So that gives me plenty of clearance to be closed and another inch of clearance, so the toolbox will actually open up further. So we're going to go ahead and snap one side in. Like so. Both sides are in, and then we'll just take our little screwdriver and snap the little tab back down. And again, that's easier with two hands. Alright, there we go. That's in. And as you can see, it's actually holding up with just that one side there. Feels pretty good. And basically just going to repeat the same thing over on the other side. Super easy to do. Anyone can do it as long as you got the original strut, part number, and lift strength. You can always match it up, and you can get them at Arise, AutoZone. You can even get them online. I did have a problem with mine. I ordered some online and they actually sent the wrong ones in the wrong package, so it took me like a whole week and a half to get mine online. I might have saved $5 over the local price, and it was not worth it. By the time I paid shipping and stuff, I would just go local, go down and get them from the auto parts store. They can get them really easy.